Welcome to our trip. So this is one wee sitting room. Don't look at the lights, they're absolutely hideous. We'll go upstairs in a wee moment. As you walk through, we'll come in there in a wee minute there. We go to our lovely games room. There's an Xbox and there's a wee PlayStation as well. Oh, nearly tripped over something. There's a downstairs loo into our fabulous living area. Kitchen. Party light, of course. Can't go anywhere without our tea light, without our candles. We have all citronella jars and plenty of large glow lights. So you can also go back through to the other sitting area through there with the hideous lights. We'll go upstairs in a wee moment, but we'll go outside. There's a wee coffee that David's made me, thank you very much. Where is he? Oh, there he's there, beating the pool. So this is our fabulous pool. It is only 10 o'clock in the morning, so that's why there's only one part sunny. We'll get the sun all afternoon, which is good. The sun's up there. We have some sort of view. It's just kind of wooded area. There's a lake over there. The wee kind of swamp area just there as well. Not seen any alligators yet. But listen to them. I don't know, what are they, grasshoppers or something? Awfully loud. We're lovely wee spa. Spa hot tub. Who needs a hot tub in 30-degree heat though? And then back through here. We'll go up the stairs. Now, hopefully everybody's rooms are tidy because I don't have them any morning. I said, oh, go to room 2. So up here, big cupboard. Other big cupboard. You get your washer dryer. Along to this area. And here we have one bedroom with one suite. I'll not go all into all the bedrooms because obviously they're not mine. This is David and I's bedroom though. How good is this? Don't laugh at the Golden Girls bedding though. But we have obviously our walk-in wardrobe. It's a big bedroom. There's TV for watching the Golden Girls on our Golden Girls bed. Got our big one suite. Look at the size of that shower. You could fit about 5 folk in there, honestly. The bog. And another bedroom in here, walk-in wardrobe, with another ensuite. So there's 6 bedrooms in total. Back along here, another cupboard, another wee kind of living area. Now this is the kids' rooms, okay, God knows if it's going to be really messy. So we have here, and then we've got a shared bathroom here. And then it goes through to the other room. Oh, bed unmade, saying nothing. And then back out here. And then there's another bedroom. Oh, here, maybe somebody's still asleep. Hello? Anybody sleeping? Nobody sleeping. Another bathroom in there. So that concludes our fabulous villa house tour in Florida.